In the Rooster video of putting the press fit nuts in, Chris says to hammer the beam.
Put the sunk nut in the recommended way. You basically line up your sunk nut with the hole as best you can, place a bit, and then just tap it in.
I've found that obviously splits the carbon, which he says, but also if you whack it in with the hammer and it's slightly off, you'll never get them completely flat like that. And I've wrecked my other one just hitting it hard enough trying to get them flat. So a better way to do it is to make sure using a 2.5mm driver, get a screw like this with the metal washer. Make sure the shiny side is on the carbon side so it's not digging into the carbon at all. Get your press fit nut, put it in, put the screw in the other side, screw it in like that, and then simply do this up like that, and you'll see as I turn, the last bit's quite tight, but you should get it to a point where it just won't go anymore like that, and you see it's completely flat. Thanks to the Helix video, Crazy FPV, shout out to him for that tip, and you should have them all flat and perfect.